Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Faz Ahmed, and today we'll be making vegetable curry. It's obviously vegetarian, also vegan friendly as well. We'll be needing 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of garlic and ginger paste, which I've shown you how to make, 4 teaspoons of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons of pre-cooked veg, 3 or 4 pieces of pre-cooked potato. I've shown you how to make all of these 3 items, and the info cards will come up during the video. 2 mushrooms cut up, about half a pint of base gravy, and 2 teaspoons of our Desi style spice mix powder. A little bit of garlic ginger. Can you hear that sizzling? It's sizzling really nicely now. We've got our garlic ginger I've shown you how to make, so the info card will be coming up now. Then you have a little bit of tomato puree. Let that cook in. You have the pre-cooked potato, which I'll show you how to make, and then your veg. You can add as much as you want veg-wise, and the potatoes. You can add more potatoes. It's not going to be a huge problem. Then we've got some cut mushrooms, just sliced mushrooms. Put in as much as you like. If you really like mushrooms, put more in. Then we've got our magic Desi style spice. 2 teaspoons of that. Couple of teaspoons of that. And then what you want to do is you want to lower the gas. Put the gas lower. Let the spice just blend into the vegetables. You want it very low, because if you put it too high, the spice is going to burn. Just for a little bit, just so the flavour melts in to the veg. Then you're ready to put your base gravy. And then you can put the gas up a little bit and just let it cook. Get nice and hot. Can you see it sizzling up? Also the colour should get a little bit darker. It should be a bit glossy. As you can see, that's quite glossy. If it's not glossy, add a little bit of oil in it, just if it looks quite flat. But that's quite shiny, so I don't need to add any more oil. But like I said, if it looks quite, it doesn't look shiny, it should look shiny. And keep stirring. You should be able to smell the spices, all the flavour, and then you know it's cooking. That's smelling really nicely. So the veg will cook quite fast. It's the potatoes that take longer. If you're in a bit of a rush, just make them into smaller pieces, or taste one. See, you know, it's the inside which will be cold. And then I didn't put it on there, but you can add coriander. You normally do put coriander in there. Gives it another bit of colour. And that's pretty much ready to go out. There you have it, a vegetable curry. Just add a sprinkle of coriander, just gives it a nice finishing touch. So if you like my video guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, ask me for some requests, anything you're stuck with. I do my best to try and answer you as soon as possible.